Welcome back to SG Dr. Wellness. It's Coach Alvin here, and welcome to another episode in our series of local hawker food nutrition. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of Roti Prata. We all love these crispy, flaky, and savory delights. But have you wondered about their nutritional value? Well, stick around because we have some surprising facts and tips on how to enjoy Roti Prata without the guilt. Let's get started. But before that, give us a flipping big support by hitting the subscribe and notification buttons now. Roti Prata, a true comfort food. But here's the twist. Each piece of Roti Prata kosong packs a punch with about 209 calories. That's like 30 minutes of swimming to burn it off. Now, let's be real. Who stops just at one? On average, we devour about 3 pieces in one sitting, totaling about 600 calories, almost as much as a plate of chicken rice. What's more, Roti Prata is high in saturated fats due to the generous use of ghee or palm oil to fry it up. But don't worry, we have got your back with some healthier alternatives and strategies. First, let's break down the nutritional facts of a single Roti Prata serving. As mentioned, it has about 209 calories, protein is at about 5 grams, total fats 7 grams, of which saturated fats at 2.9 grams, and sodium 386 mg. So, how can we enjoy Roti Prata without the guilt? Here are some tips. Number 1, making it more nutritious and higher in protein. Opt for egg prata. Eggs not only enhance the nutritional value, but also keep you feeling fuller, preventing overindulgence. Don't forget to add some veggies as a side dish for the extra fiber boost. When buying ready-made prata, go for those that are made from whole wheat. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Number 2, cut down on extra calories. So gravy lovers, please listen up. A significant chunk of calories and sodium comes from the gravy, so consume it in moderation and please skip the sugar. Looking for a lower calorie option? Try thosai instead. Number 3, cut down on saturated fats. When ordering at a hawker, request your prata to be fried with less oil. And when you're preparing it at home, switch to healthier oils like canola or walnut oil. Your heart will thank you for that. Remember, Roti Prata is often a breakfast or late night supper choice. So enjoy it in moderation. Maybe once every 2 weeks. You can consider swapping it out occasionally with a peanut butter sandwich or wholemeal cereals for breakfast instead. And as for those late night cravings, they can lead to weight gain and disrupt your sleep. So it's best to avoid consuming them as a supper option. Right, that's a wrap for today's episode on the calories of Roti Prata and how to make it healthier. Remember, knowledge is power, and making small changes can lead to a healthier you. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more nutritional tips. Stay safe and stay healthy.